Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make like an audio louder like on a stream. So I'm just going to get in this call right now, so join voice, and then you are going to select the watch stream button to obviously watch the stream, and from here you are going to press the profile button on like your profile, like your Discord profile. And once you have selected your Discord profile, go to voice, like the voice setting, and just slide the stream volume up to 100% so it's clearer. And yeah, that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions about this video, please just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!